To you who get up early every morning, in this very special moment we're living in, which concerns us all. To you who every day give the best of yourself to nourish as many people as possible by putting your passion at the service of customers. To you who offer the pleasure of a good bread, we say thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Teşekkürler.
Thank you.
Shukran.
Thank you so much.
Teşekkürler.
Thank you.
Merci.
Shukriya.
Teşekkürler.
Terima kasih.
I wish you good health.
Köszönjük.
Thank you to you all.
Merci beaucoup.
We are stronger together.
Thank you for your bread.
Thank you for your courage. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for your smile. Bakers from all over the world, we're at your side.